Okay, guys, so today's session's a little chaotic, so I'm going to go over the math work that we had today. I already posted a social studies video on my YouTube channel, so let's pick up where we left off at our session. We were on page 43 in your math packets, okay? We're continuing to do word problems. Number 5 on page 43 is what we were on, okay? And the question is, a watering can contains 980 milliliters of water. Some water is used to water the plants. In the end, 350 milliliters of water are left. How much water is used to water the plants? Okay, so we know that the watering can contains 980 milliliters of water. So I'm going to write that down, 980. And in the end, we know that there's only 350 milliliters left. So we have to subtract, right? So we do 980 minus 350. Okay. And I believe that is 575. Let me just double check my work. Minus 350. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 630. Okay, if you do 980 minus 350, it comes out to 630. So the answer is 630 milliliters left, okay? I want to make sure you label it, okay? Milliliters. A little sloppy because I don't have a table to write on, but this is how it would look, okay? You do 980 minus 350, okay? You could do it on a calculator or by hand, okay? And then we did 6 together as well, okay? It's a very similar problem. Same kind of concept. A baker has 2,000 grams of flour and he uses 425 grams of it. What is the mass of the flour left? Give your answer in kilograms and grams. Okay, so you do 2,000 minus 425, which gives you 1,575, okay? Now, how you would write that out, it wants to answer in kilograms and grams. So you would take the 1,575 grams and break it down, okay? So for 1,000 grams, it equals a kilogram, okay? Just like 1,000 kilometers equals a meter, okay? Same thing. So to write it out in kilograms and grams, you would break it down. 1 kilogram, that's the 1,000 grams, and then you have 575 grams left over, okay? See that? I just converted the 1,575 grams into 1 kilogram and 575 grams, okay? All right, let's take a look at number 7. Max buys 875 grams of nuts on Monday. He buys 955 grams of nuts on Tuesday. What is the total mass of nuts he buys? Give your answer in kilograms and grams. Okay, so in word problems, you always got to look for the words, right? The keywords, as we call them, to tell us whether we need to subtract, add, multiply, or divide. So it says total. When I see what is the total mass, I know it's asking me to add. It wants to know what the total number is. So you simply add 955 plus 875, okay? As I said, you could do it on a calculator, but I know you guys could do it on paper too. I'm going to do it on paper, okay? 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1, okay? Then 5 plus 7, or I'm sorry, 7 plus 6 is 13, carry the 1 again. 10 plus 8 is 18. So you get a total mass of 1,830. So that would be in grams, okay? Just double check my work. 955 plus 875. Yep, 1,830 grams. So again, we need to break that down into kilograms. So we know 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So we would have 1 kilogram and then 830 grams left over. Okay, see that? Same thing as the other problem. Took the 1,830 and I broke it down, and I got 1 kilogram and 830 grams left over. Okay, let's take a look at number 8. Mrs. Spence has 4 bottles of orange juice. Each bottle contains 125 milliliters of juice. She pours all the juice into an empty container. How much orange juice is in the container? Okay, so this is going to be a multiplication problem because we have 4 bottles and we know each bottle contains 125 milliliters of juice. Of course, you could add 125 up 4 times, but it's quicker to multiply. So we're going to multiply 125 times 4, okay? Again, you could use your calculator or you could do it by hand, okay? Do it by hand, so 5 times 4, 20, carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1 again. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So it is actually 500 even, 500 milliliters, okay? So there's 500 milliliters total. Once she pours all 4 bottles containing 125 milliliters of juice each into an empty container, it's a total of 500 milliliters, okay? Not that bad, okay? So we have all different operations that we did on this, on these exercises. It's good to get you guys to practice more word problems. You guys haven't done them in a while. We used to do them every morning when we were in class. So just trying to keep you guys fresh and keep it the same subject that we left off on with metric system, okay? So hopefully that cleared things up for you. I know it was a little chaotic during our Zoom session, so that's why I'm going to start to do individual Zoom sessions with you guys, and we could get some more instruction in, okay? All right, thanks for watching.